Hello and welcome to another Phantom Forces video. The last one I just played randomly because I found it. I quite liked the game, so I just decided to record some footage, put it on my YouTube. I got 90 views, and I don't think that's bossing either because it's more reasonable. Because yeah, that's what I think. So I'm gonna keep doing it. That's the new Sunday thing. Also, I didn't put up a Stoneworks update yesterday because I haven't done anything. Kind of been dying off. Ooh, nice shot, nice shot. Pull back. Yeah, it's kind of been dying lately. So, and I've got literally nothing's changed. So, there's no point making an update where there's nothing to update. Anyway, I'm gonna go over what I've done to this gun. So, I've got this new sight. You can go in further or not. I got someone through the door. Nice. Got a blue laser. Don't know if that was a thing last time. And skeleton hand grip. Yes, it's quite good. Also been getting a lot of oh. I thought it was orange. Also been getting a lot of kills with the pistol, which is quite nice. Got them levels up. Go to see me. Oh, what's down here? What a goober. Right. Pistol out. I always used the pistol just for like close quarters, never long or medium. Bang. Just standing there. Mr. Squidman 21. Oh, there's another one. I did not see the other one. Oh well. Can I just do one round this time? So far we're losing, as usual. Always on the losing team. Smack. Right, where's these goobers? Right. That's quite empty for more. Some guess. Yep, as I suspected. Bang. Two shots. Two shots and you're dead with this gun. Unless I miss and get your legs, then it's three shots. Three shots is annoying. I try to hip fire. My the blue laser, you know what I mean? Like if I blue laser here. Right, it's not showing up. Yeah, it hits where the blue laser is. So I try and use that, but bang. It's really hard to gauge how low you are because I mean, yeah, there's the shaking and the bullets indicator, but like you don't know, you can't really feel it, if you know what I mean. Like you see it, but you don't notice it until it's too late. Like there. It needs to be more harsh. It needs to be like more explicit that you're dying. Because right now people just implicitly die. Implicit death sounds beautiful because it doesn't have a sound. Anyway, just walking around with these guys trying to catch up. Big bad! Oh, that was good shots. Some goober there. What the hell? Wait a minute. No! I was gonna slap him in the face. I just decided to, oh, he picked up my gun. What a... Oh my god. Picked up my gun. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna shoot that guy so hard that he flies into, space. Just converted to a rocket launcher. This guy here is quite good. And he's dead. Oh well. I'm just sitting here waiting for people to kill. Okay. Nice. King of size. Ow. I need that Phantom 500 conversion. That'll give you a little bit more damage, so... Like... Oh my... The bushes are solid? Solid bushes? He stole my kill. This guy's a sweat. Look at him. He's jumping everywhere. I rarely see sweats in this game. It's more tactical until this guy comes along. He's just there jumping around like he's having a fit or something. Not even first, I'm surprised. Okay. Dead people. Alive people. Dead people. Oh my god. Go away. Eat an banana. Right. Coming through. Oh, I see someone. Oh, missed. What's on here? Anyone here? Oh, how does he know I'm here? Eh? Nah, that's not right. I don't think that's right. Better everyone else. I think he's up to some malicious intent. Nah. Ah! I love the pistol. Ow. I just killed 3 people with a pistol. Know when to use your pistol, my guy. My guy? My guys. I'm pretty sure more than one person is gonna watch. Yes. To be honest, the suppressor would probably be good on this pistol. I don't want to. Ah. Okay, you know what? Ah, 1 now. Weapon loadout. Nice music. Right. Secondary. Ooh, wait a minute. M17. Nah, much better. American pistol. Italian. Nah, this is a lot more damage. Attachments. Okay. I don't want sights on this. Okay, fair enough. I'll have that. I don't want any of that. Barrel. Flash hider. Suppressor. R2 suppressor. Medium western suppressor. Oh yeah, I'm only gonna be using it as long as this doesn't go down. I'm fine, cause I'm not gonna be using it from far distance. So a little suppressor on it, like that would be nice. And then revolvers. Nah, pistols. Yeah. Okay, now weapon skin. I want. You just make it. What? Whatever. Wait, weapon skins. Oh, the for a certain one. That's a shame. It's a scam. Anyway. Nice. Suppress on my pistol. I thought he died. Oh my god, this guy. He just walked in front of me, I didn't notice. Yes, goodbye, you're dead. Going up ladders. I love ladders. They're so majestical. Ow. This red dot isn't that bad. I got 1 shot. Pretty sure that's a shotgun or something. Scar PDW. It's all sorts of scars. It's a scar for the DMR. Like a DMR scar. I want that, but it's like 1,000 kills or something. No, 10th. I don't know. Level 100. Not 1,000 kills. It's level. And I don't think I'm level much. Level much. Grenade! There's someone down here. He's hiding behind a box. I love boxes. Do you? Oh my god. Eat this, you banana. I gotta run. I'm gonna die. That was close. That was close. I would have killed him. I would have killed him. Okay. Oh, there's a guy. There's a man. There's a stranger. I'm gonna die. Oh! You shoots me. You dare shoots me. Mark T suppressor. Okay. Good for now. Good for now. Good for now. Okay, I'm gonna go through here with the boys. This guy. I thought there was a top. Through the floor? Why does everyone put a suppressor on as well? Like, do you not like hearing the bang? Someone dying? I mean, I guess it avoids detection from people's radars, but I never check it. I don't know about other people. Nice headshot. Absolutely destroyed, and there we go. We lost. Boo-hoo. Oh. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully.